Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to change YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, you have to log into your YouTube account, tap on your profile, scroll down and tap on view channel. Here under view channel, you should see this customize channel and all you have to do is tap on customize channel. Now what you're going to do next is you have to scroll down here till you see the option name. Go on the text box and then you can now replace this or change this to whatever name that you want to replace. Take note, you can only change your name twice in 14 days. So be careful when changing your name and you need to review this one first before you tap on the publish button above. Aside from that, you can also scroll down here and if you want to make some changes, add description, add links, you just have to scroll down here. And then once you're done, tap on publish, go back to YouTube, refresh, and you will see that you have changed your YouTube channel name. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.